Mining exploration can be a long and complex journey for any listed company. Having the right team to navigate the road from discovery through to production is usually critical to project outcomes. West African gold explorer Toubani Resources is in that phase now, and recently appointed non-executive director, geologist Mark Stryzik, joins me now. Welcome, Mark.
Hello, how you going?
Now, Mark, Toubani has a gold resource in Mali, but what's the team doing to drive the project forward towards creating that tangible value for shareholders?
A lot of work has been done. We've got a 3 million ounce resource that we see great potential to grow. We also completed a DFS in 21, and that's what some of the work is going to do just now, is to just make sure it's right-sized. We've got a large resource, and we really think that the reserve will be able to extract more of the ounces that are in the ground. And the other work that we've also been doing in conjunction is outlining some exploration targets to go after in this next drilling season. So there's a really pretty exciting work program to look forward to.
So what experience do you bring to the company?
Yeah, look, I've had the fortune, I think, to be able to work in West Africa since around about 2010, both from grassroots exploration through to most recently with TRE Resources, where we went that journey from listing on the ASX, say a $30 million company, to now being around about $600 million and in production. So ran through the PFS, the DFS, the exploration phase, the fundraising. So look, I'm really excited about bringing some of what I've learned on that journey through to working with Phil and the board at Toubani. You know, I think we're in a great place, and I think this company's got a real opportunity to put Kubota on the map.
So do you think you're backed up then by other strong team members? And what would be the key markers of success?
Well, look, obviously, I think the key marker is being able to turn this, what is currently a DFS, into a producing gold mine. And, the board we've got, obviously, with Phil Russo and Danny Callow as chairman, but Scott Perry and Tim Crestle. We've got a very experienced team of guys on the board, and also a very strong Malian-based country manager as well. So the measure for success for me is, within a pretty reasonable time frame, is turning this into West Africa's next gold mine.
Well, what do you like about the project?
It's already got significant scale, and the exploration, there's been about 150,000 metres of drilling to date, and it's really been focused on the Kubota resource. So we've done some recent work, and I identified, just kind of bookended, we've grown that corridor up to about 11 kilometres. So we'll be able to do some exploration drilling to grow resources on that. When you do a helicopter view on the tenements, you'll see that there's really multiple corridors that haven't seen a drill hole. For me, the upside is immense in terms of the resource. And importantly, this resource is predominantly oxide. We've got between 90 to 120 metres of free dig material. So this is as cheap as it can get. This is really going in, digging it up, putting it in the back of a 90-ton truck, and then it goes straight through the mill. Importantly, the metallurgy is fantastic. We've got anywhere up to 80% of gravity gold, albeit at sizes just below 100 micron, but it means that all the gold is free. It's going to be very easy to capture using cyanide, and then also the fresh as well. It looks good as well. We've got 95, 96% recoveries, very low energy indexes. I really expect the next lot of DFS update work to see our reserves growing, and that DFS, just the monetary value, what it's worth to our shareholders, I expect that's going to be moving north.
Well, thanks so much for speaking with us today, Mark. Mark Stryzik, a non-executive director of Toubani Resources.
Thanks very much.